To keep knocking on while do not disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap show notifications. Tap settings, and then tap show notification are active if you turn on show notification, and if turned off, tap show notifications are closed. And then turn on live transcript and show notification first. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then select knocking. Scroll down knocking screen, and then tap ignore do not disturb switch until blue to keep knocking on while do not disturb is on. So this notification happen when do not disturb is on. And then to disable, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.